The marine smartwatch category is poised for a seismic shift, and the rumors around the Garmin Quatix 9 are hotter than ever. After Garmin set a new benchmark with the Quatix 8 and 8 Pro, a nautical powerhouse packing two-way satellite messaging, LTE voice calls, location sharing, and emergency SOS directly from the wrist, the obvious question is, what's next? The Quatix 8 Pro already redefined connectivity at sea with in-reach satellite plus LTE integration, reaching up to about 50 miles offshore and blending cellular and satellite networks for messages, live track, and SOS alerts without a phone. It married rugged marine tools with everyday smartwatch smarts, including health tracking, Garmin Pay, and a bright 1.4-inch AMOLED screen behind sapphire glass. From insider chatter, the community expects Garmin to leap forward in navigation and display tech. The biggest buzz is around a potential micro-LED display upgrade, inspired by the Fenix 8 Pro's micro-LED variant, offering unmatched brightness, power efficiency, and real-world readability under direct sun. That alone would outclass the current AMOLED setup on Quatix 8 and Quatix 8 Pro. Navigation is another area where Quatix 9 could eclipse its predecessor. Garmin may finally deliver advanced offline marine charts and real-time routing entirely on the watch, a feature long requested by sailors and offshore adventurers. This would push Quatix 9 beyond Quatix 8's impressive chart plotter voice control and anchor drag alerts. Rumors also list smaller size options to appeal to more risks, smarter SOS without subscription limitations, and expanded safety tools that go beyond today's LTE/LTE satellite combo. Fans especially want blood pressure monitoring, richer training insights, and tighter integration with marine electronics, ideas that could evolve into reality with Garmin's next-generation sensors and software. Compared with the Quatix 8 and 8 Pro, the Quatix 9 is expected to be smarter, brighter, more autonomous, and even more resilient, while retaining the rugged marine DNA that makes Quatix a captain's trusted wrist companion. Thank you for tuning in. The Quatix 9 and 9 Pro are rumored to be major upgrades with improved hardware and navigation, promising to enhance marine wrist tech. What are your thoughts and expectations? Let us know in the comments below.